welcome back everybody to Learn First with Peace. Just a very brief recap about what we talked about last week, and I believe many of you guys should be updated. Last week, market was around here, and I told you guys that I was actually looking for a reaction that if I see a candlestick that closes, a bearish candle that closes below here, and give me some confirmations, I might be going in and for a shot. That is what, because I'm seeing an edge and a shoulder here. Then if it shows to create a shoulder at tips with the closure of with a bearish candle, I might go for it. But once market opens above, I started going. So we didn't enter this market. So this trade went like I didn't enter it. This is now that we are entering for a buy on a new uh, video that we just did. So I hope you get that. So that was our last week trade. Another one I also threw out last week was USD card. I told you guys that this baby will continue to do what we call a long market. It was around here. I'm not mistaken. It was around here, and I said to long. Let me show. Okay, this is USD. This is USD here. Yeah, this is USD card. It was around here. Let me show you where market was. I told you that it will long extensively. Extensively. Market was around. Yeah. Now I think that was it. Again, it was somewhere here, just around here, and I said, not going to be doing extensively. So you see now, it's broke and it's still doing a buy. Let me show you, see, it's still doing a buy. So this was white last week. We got this perfectly white. The next one, I also gave you CHF, JPY, JPUSD, CHF. That market was around here, and I was looking for also a buy. Don't forget, where was it? This market was, where was it? Sir? This market was around here. I don't know. Where was it? I can't see it here. I think I was around one here and I said I believe it's going to be complete that buy. It's going to be completing a buy. And right now we're looking for a short. After the market opens and then of course we can see some formation, might be considered a trend short. I might talk to somebody just about the trend toward, but in the long run it seems to be a long buy. So that was also right. Another one I gave you last week was also CADJPY, if I'm not mistaken. CADJPY. CADJPY, I said market should definitely. I don't think we enter this market. No, I didn't enter this short. 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 So I think market was around here. Yeah, market was around here, and I was hoping that we're going to bounce this trend. See, guys, it will bounce this trend. Let me show you what I was hoping because the first time it bounced, second time it bounced. So I was hoping that third time it will bounce this. But what one of the things about market is that anything you are hoping is still a prediction. It's still under what probability. We are not certain yet. You have to look for the actions in the market before you react. So while waiting for the confirmation to react for us at this level, we didn't see any confirmation. So that's why I didn't what I didn't enter any shots. I did not enter any shots here. So we let go. That was three trades we missed out without. If we have taken them, we might have lost. So we lost, we let it go and it went by like that. I think I also gave you GDP, GDP, GJ. Let me see. I think I gave you GJ as well. I think I gave you guys GJ. I gave you guys, yeah, I gave you, that was around here. And I said it's going to be completing a buy from this point because that was the last high we had here. We had the second, so that was around here. So I said it's going to be completing a buy to this point here. So this was our this thing that we milk it, we built it some buy. That was we looked that one. And also, I think the last one was CADJPY, if I'm not mistaken. It was CADJPY. Yeah, it was CADJPY. We are hoping that what I told you that this structure is what a sell structure. And at this point, there might be a reaction because market bounce here, and this is the trend line. It might bounce here. If it bounce here and try to come down here, if it breaks below this last low, first, third low, and fourth, we're going to be breaking down the fourth time. If it does that, we're going to be heading for a short and it will be long, a long run. But market did something else entirely. So we didn't enter this one as well. However, fourth trade we did not enter. Right now it's not a buy. We're looking for a possible long in this market. So those are everything we gave out last week. Those who played out perfectly well, and those who didn't, we were unable to take them. That's why I always say that at times if you join us on market outlook, it's not always good. to join us on market active assign. At times you just have to be on the group with us so that sometimes if some trade did not play out as expected, we can always update you. We can always put it on. You can always see us not taking them. We can always give you reasons why we stay back, why we didn't take action on some of those trades because of what I always tell my students. The market will always do its action. You are expected to what to react to it. Do not always act ahead of the market. You are not bigger than the market. So you have to act under below the market. So whatever it does, you react to the actions that the market do. I hope you learned something from this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and join us on Telegram for more videos like this. Thank you and God bless you guys. Peace out guys.